Uy, ano to? Dash camera ni Dahua? Si Dahua gumagawa to ng mga IP cameras and mga outdoor cameras Actually, first time ko narinig na may dash camera na rin si Dahua, and I'm really excited to try it on sa aking kotse. So tara, samahan niyo ako. So this is the Dahua na S8 dash camera. Front and rear ang meron na dito. And basahin lang natin some quick specs na meron na dito. Meron siyang app interconnection, 2K recording, parking monitoring, GPS, and a large 3-inch na IPS LCD na screen. Meron siyang G-sensor, front and rear recording, which is important para sa atin ngayon. And I heard it can support up to 256GB of storage na micro SD card. But before that, unbox muna natin. So right now guys, unbox natin tong Dahua na S8 dash camera. Meron siyang app connection, 1440p, recording, parking monitoring, GPS, and of course 3-inch na IPS na screen. So, sana natin. So, ganito itsura ng kanyang dashcam. And like yung kanyang pagka-blue, looks pretty nice and solid. Ito ang kanyang camera lens na. Probably this is the power button or menu button. So, most likely this is a touch screen. And dito mo insert ang yung SD card and it's sold separately for sure. And it still rocks a mini USB port, guys, though. Probably the downside dito is that it's already 2024 and you're still using a mini USB. I was wishing na sana gawin na nilang Type-C or at least man lang micro USB. But the design is definitely great. And inside this pouch, you get some kit like double-sided tape, ito screen na didikit mo sa inyong windshield, you have your quick start guide, and some legal information. Now, for the unboxing, most likely these are the cables na gagamitin natin. There's a lot of cables inside. So this one is mamount natin sa ating rear. Yeah, gagapang natin sa kisame ito is to be able to get this working. And we also have this what? This is a cigarette port charger para i-power up ang ating dash camera.
Now, today is a perfect day to go out for a spin together with my Dahua S8 dash camera. And, well, honestly, I have already mounted it for 2 weeks here. The performance is really great. So today I'll be showing you the different function, how I was able to mount it, the app that I use to connect it for easy access, and some other neat tricks that you might need to know. So let me show it to you. Now, basically, this is the placement of my dash camera. Honestly, sticking it wasn't really that easy and took me quite some time to stick it because it kept falling off. Now, one of the things you should notice is that it is detachable. You should take note that you should stick this piece, and let it dry or cure for 24 hours before putting this one back up. That's my best advice because the moment that I place it, immediately kept falling off together with this one, of course. And yeah, I can see there's a pin here, and at the back you have one pin here which is connected to the rear, and the other one is the power source. Now we have a camera over here which will record up to 4K, but if you record it simultaneous, it will just show you a 2K resolution for both cameras, and it has a 120 degrees field of view, which is quite wide, like the ultra wide angle lens of my smartphone camera. Now you can see here at the side I have my micro SD card, which is a 64GB storage, 64GB storage, and top we have your emergency record button, and we have your speakers grill here on the side. And yeah, basically the screen is touch sensitive. Now if you swipe up, you can see all of the menu here, lock the screen, photo. You can quickly take a photo like this, snapshot. Then you can record sounds. You can check the rear camera if you want, like this. You can check some playback over here, but it's easier to access on your smartphone. You can check some settings over here. So everything you can calibrate here if you need it. Those are the basic functions that you can find on this dash camera. Now on Google Play Store or Apple App Store, you can freely download DH Dashcam and just simply open it up. There you install it, then drop down, you see this one, just connect it, DHS8. Depending on the model, probably yours might be DHS8 if it's a S8. Then the password is 1234567 Now upon connecting to the app, it will look something like this. You have GPS connected, it can show you where you are, it can show you the current altitude, its GPS is on, you have your compass over here. Yeah, it's a pretty nifty one, which I love. This app is very simple to use. Now, I can capture snapshot or just check some of the older recordings you have, which is stored inside this storage. You have photos and have videos, and you have the emergency recording for those collision. It will hard record it and it won't be erased. So if you want to see more, just need to pull it up. Okay, just like this. Okay, to see more, there you go. Honestly, I'm really amazed with this one, and it gives you some really clear video from this camera. And the way I look at it, looking at the plate, it's really clear, and I expect nothing less but one of the better cameras out there from Dahua, because Dahua is a global leader making surveillance camera, and yeah, dash camera is equally as important as well. Now if you're checking your recording, you can see F is for front, R is for rear. Now if you're recording just the front, you'll get a 4K resolution, but if you're recording both front and back, you'll get a 2K resolution for each camera. Checking some of the footage here that I got, it is really clear on broad daylight. It's really nice, and you can really get a good hang of the plate number. During nighttime, it also gives me a good night vision recording, and it's automatic on its own, recording night mode, capturing some really nice footage over here. Even that it's a little bit glary at night and it's really dark, it is still able to capture some really nice videos, which will be useful if you need it, but it's still nice to have even if you don't need it. Now one of the good things if you're playing back a video here, you see the coordinates where you are. So take for example this video, while recording, it shows my coordinates here on the Google Maps, how fast I'm running. And yeah, it's really nice to have something like this connected to your camera. Probably this is one of my first time to see something like this one. On other dash camera, you just see this footage, you don't see this one. But it's really nice to have something like this being recorded inside your dash camera, just to give you that extra sense of security when you need it. And this is probably one of the good things that I love from the Dahua S8 camera with GPS included. Now, why is dashcam really important? It gives you that sense of security wherever you are. You don't know what will happen on the road, be it up front or at the back. At least you get a good recording wherever you are, especially when you're arguing with the traffic officer that caught you. It's always nice to keep yourself protected. Your dash camera is your first line of defense. Take for example my experience the moment that I argued with a traffic officer for beating the red light. He said that I beat the red light, but the moment that I showed the video footage that the lights turned yellow when I'm in the middle of the street already, crossing the street, he has nothing to say but to let me go. But he just wasted me 15 minutes by talking to him, apprehending me, almost giving me a ticket, which I didn't even violate. And yeah, the bad thing is that he didn't even say sorry to me and just let me go, but it's his fault. But at least I didn't get fined for an offense that I did not commit. That's the importance of the dash camera on the road.
So yun guys, nakita niyo yung performance ng Dahua S8 na dash camera. I'm quite surprised with yung kanyang performance and I really love yung kanyang compactness. It looks quite good din dahil sa kanyang big display and normally pa nag-playback ka doon mismo sa dash camera, kitang-kita mo naman ang display. Normally pa nag-check ako ng playback dito sa kanyang camera, I would say na kitang-kita ko naman everything that I need to see on that small screen. Plus yung kanyang 2K recording is definitely important para makita mo lahat ng details and yung kanyang rear recording is another important kasi sometimes nakikita lang natin is everything sa harap and hindi natin nakita what's happening at the back. Well, for me, it's best to keep yourself informed kung what's happening at the back or especially kung may bigla may bumangga sa likod mo, at least alam mo, meron kang evidence na pwede pakita in case na nag-areglo kayo. So far, I'm loving the S8 Dashcam ni Dahua and I plan to put it on my car as its daily driver na. Kayo guys, do you plan on investing one? Let me know on the comments. And kung balak na bumili, I'll be posting a link on the description box below para makita nyo saan bumili. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. Sub to this channel is definitely on. I'll see you on my next video.
And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.